Here we have the new manifold Testo 550S. Equipped with its robust display, the manifold is splash-proof according to IP54. Yet the instrument stays compact, the menu selection and keypad can be easily operated with one hand. You have all measurement values in view in the clearly arranged display. In the selection menu, you can carry out the settings and switch between the measurement modes. For evacuation and tightness testing, the measurement is shown as a graphic progression. Via Bluetooth 5.0, the manifold automatically recognizes and connects to all available smart probes relevant for the measurement. You can additionally monitor and document the measurement values remotely via app from up to 150 meters distance.